Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So today we are going to start a new chapter of maths, that is permutation and combination. So let me write the topic name, that is permutation and combination. So before starting this topic, let me define you the literal meaning of this topic. So let me change the color here. So basically permutation denotes permutation is basically arrangement of objects, whereas combination depicts selection of objects. So let me define these 2 points. So let me consider an example so you can easily understand this topic. So let me consider an example of a train. So there is a compartment of a train and there are 5 seats available, 4 5, and there are 5 persons available. So there are 5 persons, I'm writing the point, and 5 seats available. So you have to accommodate this 5 person in these 5 seats in such a way that all arrangements are possible. So what will be the total number of ways of accommodation of 5 persons in 5 seats? So now, first of all we have to do selection. So selection of 5 persons, so we have to fill a 5 person here. So selection of 5 person in 5 ways will be 5C5. Again I'm explaining in another way. So since we have 5 person and there are 5 seats, so number of ways that we can accommodate this 5 person in the first place will be 5 ways. Similarly, now since 1 person has been filled up here, so number of ways you can accommodate 4 person. Now we will be available for the seat will be available for only 4 person. So number of ways to accommodate the 4 person in the second place will be 4. Similarly for the third place, now since 2 persons are already accommodated, so there will be only 3 persons available. So total number of ways to accommodate in third place will be 3. Similarly here will be 2 and there will be 1. So total ways will be, so since all these persons are interdependent to each other, so the total we have to multiply this number. So that will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is basically the formula of 5 factorial. Now let me define this example in a general form. So this is selection will be 5C5 and arrangement will be 5 factorial. So total ways will be 5C5 into 5 factorial. So we can simply write it as, now since we know the value of 5C5 is 1, so it will be 5 factorial. So we got the formula. So total ways for arrangement of 5 persons in 5 persons in 5 places will be 5 factorial. That is, in general form we have to write the formula n factorial. So now let me consider the case 2. So now there are 5 persons and now number of seats is 3. So in case 1 we have a number of person and number of seats equal, but in this case we have considered 5 person but there are only 3 seats available. So what will be the now number of ways? So let me explain this concept. So now case 2 will be 5 persons are there and number of seats are 3. So now what will be the total number of arrangement? So now there is 3 seats and we have to accommodate 5 person. So now first of all we have to do selection. So we have to use similar formula here. So selection will be 5C3 because we have to select 3. So again I'm repeating, NCR basically depicts number of selection of R objects from N objects. Again I'm repeating, NCR, the formula NCR basically represent selection of R objects from N objects. So now here the value of N is 5. So if we have to select 5 objects from N objects, 3 objects from 5 objects, so the formula will be 5C3. So selection will be 5C3. Now since we have done selection here, so now we have to arrange this 5%, this 3% in three seats, and we know that we have already derived the formula. If we have to accommodate 3% in 3%, that is n person in n places, so the formula is n factorial. So arrangement for 3 person in three seats will be 3 factorial. So the formula will be, so the number of ways for this case will be, total number of ways for this case will be 5c3, 5c3 into 3 factorial, where 5c3 is basically selection and 3 factorial denotes arrangement. So this is basically permutation and combination. So this is the basic formula. So I hope you have got this topic clearly. So that's it from my side. I hope it will help you in finding the concept. So thank you for that.